Hey, how's it going? In this video, I am using ChatGPT to write my cold emails for me. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, ChatGPT is an AI model. It is built by OpenAI. Their previous model was GPT-2 and GPT-3. The difference is with the older models, you used to have to provide an input. So you'd have to say, this is a cold email, here's some examples, please write another one. With ChatGPT, you can literally tell it what to do and it will do it for you. Remember the conversation and you can iterate as you go. So here's the app. If you are curious, head to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. It's completely free right now. So I'm just going to test some stuff out. I'm doing this completely on the fly. I don't know what it's going to do. It might be useless. It might be very good. So I'm going to ask it to write a cold email. Write a cold email that is unique. I'm selling lead generation. Don't be too pushy. Let's have a look. So the first response is, I hope this email finds you well. I don't like that, but I don't want to delete this myself. I want GPT to understand that I want it different. So we can have a look. I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out, blah, blah, blah. It's very old school, isn't it? It's not brilliant. So we'll do make it shorter and more unique. We're getting there. So hi there. I wanted to introduce you to our lead generation service. We help business like yours identify potential customers and convert them into leads, drive more revenue in process. Our approach is unique and personalized, ensuring that you get the best results. It's not bad. It's better than some cold emails I receive. If you're interested in learning more, I'd be happy to schedule a call with you. There's no obligation to be pushy. So it's taken this part here, which is from my initial prompt. Let's see if we can get rid of that. When I said I don't want to be too pushy, I meant not in the email, I meant the way GPT writes it. We're getting there. So it's kept the same part, but it's taken out the pushy part and it's replaced it with "there's no obligation and I promise to be respectful of your time." Let's see if we can get it to write a better CTA, because this sucks. What have we got now? So if you're interested in learning more and seeing how we can help your business grow, please let me know and I'll be happy to schedule a call with you. It's old school. It's old school, which isn't very interesting. So let's get it shorter. All right, so I'm now going to give it specific instructions to remove the second paragraph and just change it to a call to action. I want to see if it can understand. And I'm going to give it an idea. Would you to explore? I mean, it's not a brilliant CTA, but you know, it will do for now. Yeah, so it's quite rigid for this. It's great to spin up ideas, I think, but I think it may have a long way to go before it fully takes over, which may not be a bad thing. Otherwise, cold email people are just going to bombard using AI generated content. So let's just try something else. So I'm going to ask it how to write a cold email. So I'm writing that cold email. Do I need to include So, a cold email is an email you send to someone who you've never communicated with before, usually with the aim of starting a professional relationship or getting a job. To write a successful cold email, there's a few things you should include. So, clear, concise subject line, professional and polite introduction, maybe, I don't know if I agree with that. A compelling reason for the recipient to read your email, that's important. A CTA. Contact information, where the recipient can easily find your email address, phone number, I suppose like a signature. Overall, the key to writing a successful cold email is to keep it short, focused, and to the point. It's not bad. Let's see if we can get an example of a subject line. I wonder if it will give us a quick question. Give me a few subject lines. I'm disappointed there isn't any quick question in here. But these aren't bad, really. Like, compared with the lot of cold emails I receive in my inbox, I just receive nonsense. So there's definitely room for ChatGPT to help you write your cold emails. I don't think you could fully trust it to write a solid one in the first go. It might take several iterations, but it's certainly interesting. So now let's just do a few more and then I'll wrap up this video. And now a few CTAs, if it can understand that. I think OpenAI is struggling today with the amount of requests from people like me sending stuff. Yeah, it's having a moment. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Oh no, let's end it just after this. So please reply to this email to schedule a meeting. Maybe okay if you've already got a kind of conversation going. Visit our website. What I've noticed with the outputs, they are quite old, as in the way we cold email at the moment is very different from this, as in, would you be open to exploring further is a better CTA than please reply to this email to schedule a meeting. They mean the same thing, but the way someone interprets that sentence is completely different. Please reply to this email to schedule a meeting. Well, if I don't want to schedule a meeting, I'm not going to reply. But if I say, would you be open to exploring this further? That gets someone to think a little bit more. Anyway, I'm going to end this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Try out ChatGPT. It's pretty amazing, really, if you think about what it's actually doing. I'm sure you can use it within your workflow to speed you up. Anyway, cheers. If you've liked this kind of video, drop me a subscribe and let me know in the comments if you've tried this out and got successful results. Nice one. See ya.